welcome back to Mama Joan house where it's hot. And when I said hot, you know what I mean? It's hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Okay guys, today guys I'm gonna make you a nice little pepper steak dish for you guys. So guys, I'm gonna dive into the ingredients. So first I'm gonna show you my steak. So this is the steak that I'm gonna use. I washed it already, so it's already clean. So I'm gonna cut it up and season it up. So for my ingredients now for my pepper steak, I have some sweet pepper here because it's pepper steak, so you need lots of sweet pepper. So I'm gonna get a couple pieces cut up and I'm gonna marinate some of the steak. I'm gonna make my sauce. So you know me always like my fresh sauce with my little powder seasoning, yes, but I have to do my fresh sauce. So I'm gonna Perrier some bell pepper, 2 cloves of garlic, and a piece of ginger. I'm gonna marinate, cut these up, and blend it, and I'm gonna use it as a marinade for the steak. Okay guys, so I'm gonna get into that right now and cut up some of these. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna Perrier my seasoning, which is my bell pepper, my onion, and a piece of fresh ginger. So these now I'm gonna put just a little touch of water on it, just enough to make the marinade. So I'm gonna Perrier my seasoning to marinate my beef. So guys, now I'm gonna cut my meat up, okay, to make my pepper steak. So let's cut the meat, put it on an angle, you know, not too thick and not too thin either, but okay, you want it to cook. Okay, so you know, let me bust this down the middle like that. Fry guys, it just fried nicely, you know. Make some pepper steak, and you know what, I don't even think I'm gonna give Papa Aaron another sweet, you know, because he can't tell the difference of food. So right now I not even think I give him another sweet. So guys, as you can see, I finish cut up my steak. So now I'm gonna marinate it. I'm gonna throw my Perrier sauce on it. See, this is just okay. A little bit of water. This smells so good with the garlic and the ginger. Oh my! And it's yellow, and it's from the pepper, the bell pepper. Okay, I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I have some garlic plus oil, a teaspoon of garlic plus oil, some steak spice, and some garlic powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and some adobe. I sprinkle this on this here. This is all of my powder sauce. And then now I'm gonna stir it, mix it together. So this now I'm gonna let this marinated and season this up and let this sit. This is going to sit for about 2 hours. I'm gonna put it to sit for 2 hours before let the season soak into it. Okay, and then I come back, do this. I gotta make the season soak. Guys, last but not least, my Scotch bonnet pepper. Gonna put my Scotch bonnet pepper in there because this is a pepper steak, so you need some coarse black pepper too, you know. So I have a teaspoon of coarse black pepper, in there too. So this gonna sit and marinate for 2 hours, and then I'm gonna come back and get it cooking, guys. Get it cooking. Oh my god, guys, if you could just smell the aroma that's coming from the seasoning, you know. Oh my god, this would want you to slap your papa, although it don't cook yet, but just from the scent we are come out of it, me I tell you guys, I gonna make you no want to slap on papa when you no make this a pepper steak here. Remember me telling you that. Alright guys, so I'm gonna cover it and let it marinate for 2 hours, and I'll come back to you, okay, when it's ready to cook.
5 minutes later.
I'm gonna fry my meat now. I have my pot on. It's hot, so I'm using about, I'm gonna put a little soy sauce. Put a little soy sauce on the meat. I use mushroom soy sauce, okay? Mushroom soy sauce, that's the one that I use. So I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna put a tablespoon of cornstarch. Balance out the meat when it's frying, make it a little bit thicker. Frying my meat, cooking my steak. Okay guys, okay, all right, so let's put this back on and get some of the steak into the pot. Okay. Guys, as you could see, it's a lot of meat, so I'm gonna do it step by step. After I've done brown these on both sides, then I'm gonna take it out and do it step by step. Okay. Okay, so guys, as you see, I'm coming to the end of doing the meat, so I'm gonna do this now. Come close and make the people them see the meat, guys. Look on the thing, man. Look on the thing, and it's not done yet. Look on the thing. Look on the thing, and it's not done yet, guys. Yeah, look on the thing. Yeah, yeah. This is Mama Joan pepper steak in our house. So, okay, guys, I'm gonna use a little bit more olive oil. Okay, olive oil. Okay, so now this is my ginger and my garlic, fresh ginger, fresh garlic. So I'm gonna put that in, and I'm gonna cook that up, and I'm gonna use a tablespoon of brown sugar. Ooh, yep. To give it that salty, sweetish taste. Okay. Aroma from the garlic. Okay, I'm gonna put that in after. See my onion. My onion in there. Give that a stir. My peppers. Okay, look at that. Okay, that's it. And last but not least, I'm gonna sprinkle a little thyme. Guys, now I'm gonna put my beef back in here. I think I made too much beef, too much meat, too much steak. But when I said the steak is delicious, just juicy and easy cook. So guys, as you could see, I came to the end of my video. So this is my pepper steak, well juicy, a lot of juice. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna plate it, and Papa Dilo I go be the taster. So guys, anyway, before I forgot to say this, I'd like you guys to like my video, subscribe to my channel, guys, and hit that post notification bell things of mine so you don't miss a video when I post it. And guys, thank you so much again for my 100 subscriber. Okay guys?
Alright guys, now this is the best part and the only part of the video that you all need to see, because when it comes to tasty, that is me. Woo, call me Eminem.
Okay.
Oh shit. Now, it's a spicy. Now guys, as you guys know, I don't like spice, but this is a good spice. It's a flavor spice. Okay? I can do that. Guys, I'm on a diet, so I'm not gonna eat all the meat, but veggies. I'm gonna slap my mama and I'm gonna slap my papa. I'm gonna slap everybody I know. Okay? Guys, I'm telling you guys, when she makes for you guys, she makes for you guys. You have to try this. Okay, you have to. Pepper steak with rice. This can even go over vegetables. This can even go over by itself. Add more veggies to it. Absolutely delicious, guys. Guys, make sure you guys try this meal. Make sure you guys make this meal. Make sure you guys also like, subscribe, and she always says turn on that bell notification thingy of hers too, so you guys don't miss a post when she posts. I'm gonna finish this in the closet, but nobody can see me because I'm on a diet. But I hope you guys enjoy this when you guys make it, alright? I am out of here. Peace!